जय हिंद फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। और आज अभी इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे 29 ऑसम स्टेट एंड स्प्लेंडेड फेस्टिवल्स। तो ये कौन से हमारे 29 स्टेट हैं और कौन कौन से फेस्टिवल्स वहाँ सेलिब्रेट किए जाते हैं, उनका क्या मतलब होता है, कौन से महीने में वो सेलिब्रेट किए जाते हैं, इस वीडियो में उसके बारे में थोड़ा डिस्कस करेंगे। ओके, तो अभी ये किस चीज़ से रिलेवेंट है पहले मैं ये बता देता हूँ आपको। ये जो हमारा क्वेश्चन आता है CGAT पेपर है, पेपर नंबर 2, उसमें इसके रिगार्डिंग क्वेश्चंस बहुत बार पूछे जाते हैं स्टेट और उनके फेस्टिवल्स के बारे में कि ये कौन से स्टेट का फेस्टिवल है, ओके, और किस महीने में कंडक्ट होता है। तो वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं एक चीज़ और आपको बता दूँ, अगर किसी को नोट्स चाहिए CGAT से रिलेटेड तो वो इस नंबर पर कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकता है। यहाँ आपको नोट्स अवेलेबल करा दी जाएंगी और नोट्स पेड हैं, ओके। तो चलिए फिर हम स्टार्ट करते हैं, टाइम बगैर वेस्ट किए अपने वीडियो के ऊपर। तो हमारे टोटल 29 स्टेट्स हैं और उनके 29 फेस्टिवल्स होते हैं। तो अभी चलते हैं पहले स्टेट के ऊपर जो कि है आंध्र प्रदेश। आंध्र प्रदेश में क्या होता है? आंध्र प्रदेश में होता है ब्रह्मोत्सव, ठीक है। तो ब्रह्मोत्सव किस टाइम पे होता है और कहाँ पे होता है, तो मैं एक बार रीड आउट कर देता हूँ। अगर आप वीडियो ना भी देख रहे हो, कभी ऑडियो मोड में सुन रहे हो, तो भी आपको चीज़ें पता चल जाएंगी इससे। सो द मोस्ट important and auspicious annual feat celebrated at Sri Venkatesh Temple in Tirupati in Andhra Pradesh, Sri Venkateswar Swami Vari Brahmotsav is conducted for 9 days during the month of September and October. ओके, यहाँ आपको यहाँ से पता चल गया भाई कौन से महीने में ये होता है, ठीक है। सितंबर और अक्टूबर के महीने में 9 दिन के लिए ये फेस्टिवल चलता है, ठीक है। द उत्सव मूर्ति ऑफ द लॉर्ड Venkateshwar, along with his consort Sri Devi and Bhudevi, will be taken on process on different vahanams on the street surrounded the temple. Okay, so thereafter, this attracts pilgrimage and tourists for all part of India and abroad. Popular legend says that Brahma, the creator god, worshipped Venkateshwara on the bank of the holy Swami Pushkarni in Tirupati as a way to give thanks for the Lord's protection of mankind. इसके बाद चलते हैं हम अगले स्टेट के ऊपर। ये है अरुणाचल प्रदेश। तो यहाँ क्या होती है, कौन सी फेस्टिवल? यहाँ होती है लोसर फेस्टिवल, ओके। तो लोसर फेस्टिवल में क्या होता है? द तिब्बतन न्यू ईयर इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज अ लोसर, ठीक है। यहाँ एक चीज़ आपको और नहीं पता चली कि जो तिब्बतों के न्यू ईयर होते हैं फेस्टिवल, उसको क्या जाता है? लोसर, एंड इज़ मेनली सेलिब्रेटेड फॉर 3 days इन द लेट जनवरी और फरवरी, ठीक है। लेट जनवरी और फरवरी का मतलब हो गया कि जनवरी के एंड में या फिर फरवरी तक, ठीक है, फरवरी के स्टार्टिंग के टाइम पे। मार्क्ड विद एंशियंट सेरेमनीज दैट रिप्रेजेंट द स्ट्रगल बिटवीन गॉड एंड एविल, लोसर हैज़ people chanting and passing fire torches through the crowds, ठीक है। Events like the dance of the deer and the amusing battle between the king and his various ministry provided the cheerful side of the festival. Losar festival is characterized especially by dancing, music and a general spirit of merry making. Okay, उसके बाद चलते हैं हम असम। तो असम में क्या होता है? बोहाग बिहू होता है, ठीक है। तो बोहाग बिहू के बारे में भी बता लेते हैं थोड़ा सा। इट इज़ अ टाइम टू ग्रेट ग्रेट ईच अदर अ हैप्पी न्यू ईयर, ओके। ये इनके लिए न्यू ईयर का फेस्टिवल होता है और वो स्प्रिंग फेस्टिवल भी होता है। द स्प्रिंग फेस्टिवल ऑफ बोहाग बिहू और रंगोली बिहू यूजेस इन द न्यू ईयर इन द स्टेट ऑफ आसाम, विच मेक्स द वन सेट ऑफ अ न्यू एग्रीकल्चर साइकिल। मैनी फेयर्स एंड ऑर्गेनाइज्ड where people revel in the festival and visit each other's house exchanging gifts. Young girls in traditional atris sings Bihu Geets and dance the traditional Mokoli Bihu. The celebration goes on for days together, and it's also a good time for the young people to find a companion of their own choice. तो यहाँ पे ये जो बिहू के बारे में बताया गया, यहाँ पे आपको पता चला कि भाई ट्रेडिशनल डांस कौन सा है उनका, मोकेली बिहू उनका ट्रेडिशनल डांस है, ठीक है। और वो बिहू गीत गाती हैं इसके दौरान में, और इसके दौरान में वो अपने पार्टनर को भी चूज़ करने का उनके पास बहुत अच्छा मौका होता है यहाँ पे बिहू के दौरान। तो बिहू काफ़ी फेमस है और बिहू होती है आपकी 14 जनवरी के आसपास। तो 14 जनवरी को बहुत जगह फेस्टिवल्स मनाए जाते हैं, जैसे कि लोहड़ी हो गई, वो भी जनवरी के 14 या 13 के आसपास ही मनाई जाती है। और वो भी नए फार्मिंग के लिए आगाज़ होता है अपना, एक लाइक पुराना साल ख़त्म होता है, नए साल की शुरुआत होती है, वसंत ऋतु का आगमन होता है, ऐसा उनका मानना है इसके दौरान, ठीक है। जैसे यूपी और बिहार साइड में बहुत जगह मकर संक्रांत होती है, ठीक है। और आपके गुजरात में उत्तरायण होता है। तो ये सारे फेस्टिवल एक जैसी ही हैं और एक ही टाइम पे होती हैं, बट नाम थोड़े अलग अलग से होते हैं इनके। चलिए अब बिहार पे आते हैं हम। बिहार का फेमस है छठ पूजा। छठ पूजा ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द डाला पूजा, डिवोटेड टू वर्शिप द सन इन द ट्रेडिशनली सेलिब्रेशन बाय द पीपल ऑफ बिहार. Chhat falls in the month of October or November. Chhat assume a joyous and the color form as a people dress up in their best clothes and gather by river and other water bodies to celebrate. Lamps are light and devotional folk songs sung in honor of Chhat Maiya of Ganga. After sunset, earthen lamps or diyas are light in the courtyards of the house. उसके बाद छत्तीसगढ़ पे चलते हैं। छत्तीसगढ़ का क्या है फेमस? बस्तर दशहरा। तो ये जो बस्तर दशहरा होता है कब होता है इसके बारे में आगे बात करते हैं। बस्तर दशहरा, द लॉन्गेस्ट दशहरा सेलिब्रेशन इन द वर्ल्ड, इज सेलिब्रेटेड इन बस्तर एंड स्पैन ओवर 75 days starting around August and ending at October. Diverse tribes participating with the traditional costumes. Bastar Dussehra begin with several costumes like Pat Jatra or worship of a wood, followed by Deri Gadhi, posting of the pillars, Kachan Gadhi, thrones for goats, Kanchan Devi, uh, Kailas Satpana, installation of urns, Jugi Bhatti, Jogis Panansi, Rath Parikarma, the Chariot Circle, Nisha Jatra, the Nakotan Festival, Jogi Uthai, Rising of the Jogi, Mauli Bhargav, Respect of the Devi Mauli, Batri Rani, the Inner Circuit, Bahar Rani, the Outer Circuit, Kanchan Jatra, Thanksgiving Ceremony, Murai Durbar, the Triple Chieftains Conference, and finally on the last day, Ohadi, a farewell to the deities. Thereafter Goa, Carnival. तो जैसे ही कार्निवल का नाम हमें सुनाई देता है तो हमारे मन में गोवा ही गूंजता है मैक्सिमम टाइम। सो चलते हैं, अभी पढ़ते हैं कार्निवल के बारे में। द एक्साइटिंग एंड द फन फील्ड 3 days नॉन स्टॉप extravagance of fun, frolic, song, music and dance that is unequally gone. Celebrated since the 18th century, it was meant to be a feasting, dancing, merrymaking, org just before the 40 days of Lent, a time of absence and spirituality. In the carnival, huge parades through the cities and organization with the bands, floats of dance and ball in the evening. The final day concludes with the famous red and black dance held by the Club Napoleon in Panjim. The carnival is presented over the King Momo, who on the opening day orders his subjects to party. The festival attracts thousands of tourists. Thereafter गुजरात में भाई जन्माष्टमी और दिवाली फेमस है वहाँ के लिए. The birth anniversary of Lord Krishna is celebrated with the great favor of all over India, especially at Gujarat. Temples and homes are beautifully decorated and light. People fast all day and eat only after the midnight birth ceremony. Mathura has many temples dedicated to Krishna where night-long prayers are offered and religious hymns are sung. Often small children dress up like Lord Krishna on this day. In this temple, imagine and picturization of Krishna's life story are displayed. The festival of light Diwali is also celebrated with much enthusiasm in Gujarat. Lamps are lit in all hours and sweets are distributed by people. Festival makes the beginning of the new year. Thereafter, Haryana. Haryana's famous festival is Baisakhi. Festival of Baisakhi, making the time for harvest of the Rabi crop, and farmers celebrated with lots of joy and reels in Punjab and Haryana. The day of Baisakhi drawn in colors and vibrance as cries of Jatta Ai Baisakhi, rebrated in the skis as and galley dressed men and women move toward the field to celebrate the occasion. The traditional folk dance Bhangra and Gidda are performed by men and women to the beat of dhol. Colorful Baisakhi fairs are also organized to celebrate the day. Wrestling bout, singing and acrobatics are held along with the music performance. Thereafter, Himachal Pradesh Maha Shivratri. Himachal Pradesh is said to host the biggest Shivratri celebration in the country. A week-long international Mandi Shivratri fair is held near the temple of the Bhutnath, Lord Shiva every year, and it attracts lots of tourism from all over the country and even abroad. Every year, a Subha Yatra is conducted which witness unmatched favor and utmost participation the entire night during Shivratri celebration, reverberating with the accelerated spiritual energy. A combination of five pure ingredients, comprising milk, butter, and curd, honey, and sugar, is offered to Lord Shiva. Jammu and Kashmir, Eid ul Fitr and Eid ul Azah. If you have to experience the real fun and celebration of Eid, you have to be in Kashmir. Eid ul Fitr makes the end of fasting month of the Ramadan. On the day, Muslims wear new clothes and attend many grand feasts. Eid ul Azha is a one equal important festival which is a more prominent from the Qurbani. People sacrifice goats, sheep, and some even camels on the day. Muslims shows that their real joy for the health, strength, and the opportunities of life which Allah has given to them to fulfill their obligation and fasting and other good deeds during the blessed month of Ramadan. Thereafter, Jharkhand famous festival is Holi. Holi is celebrated in the month of February, March with a great charm and Wagyu. The spring festival of Holi is on the most important festival of Jharkhand. The lighting of bonfire also forms a special feature of the Holi celebration in the Dhanbad. Fun and frolic are also redefined in the various form in the festive celebration here. People greet each other with colors and thus exchange and feel of harmony due to which happiness privilege. The tradition of playing Holi with mud is also extremely delightful. Thereafter, Karnataka Ugadi. People from all over Karnataka celebrate Ugadi in the second half of March in the early April and March enthusiasm and gaiety. Ugadi is considered as auspicious time for the coming of a new venture. The people legend in that the Lord Brahma started the creation of the vast universe on the auspicious day of the Yugadi, and it is also make the beginning of a new Hindi lunar calendar. People decorate their homes and puja rooms and flowers and mango leaves. Especially dishes are prepared and enjoyed by the people to make the festival. Thereafter, Kerala Onam. Onam is one of the popular festival of Kerala is celebrated with the joy and enthusiasm by people of all communities. According to the popular legend, the festival is celebrated to welcome the king Mahabali, whose spirit is said to visit Kerala at the time of Onam. Instantly designed flower mats called pokalams are made in the front courtyard of the house to welcome King Mahabali. Onam is celebrated in Chingam and lasts for 10 days. The 10th day Tirunam is marked by elaborate feats, folk songs, elegant dance, energetic games, elephants, sports, and flowers. Vala Makali, the enchanting snack boat race, folk performance like Kumati Kali and Puli Kali add to the gist of celebration. Thereafter, the Madhya Pradesh, the famous festival is Diwali. Thereafter, we'll go for the next one, Maharashtra, Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi is the most important festival for Maharashtra. Fell in the month of August and September. Ganesh image are kept in house as a divine guest for 5 to 10 days by people. The image is then taken out ceremoniously and immersed in the river, sea, or well. It is called Visarjan. Modak is specially chosen for Ganesh Chaturthi celebration. Huge Ganesh idols are worshipped at nicely decorated pandals for 8 to 10 days. Slogan of Ganpati Bamoria reverberated as the idols are taken out in huge processions during the day of immersion. Cultural activities of singing, dancing, and theaters and free medical and blood donation camps are held during the festival. Thereafter, the Manipur, Yosohang, one of the prime festival of the Manipur, Yosohang, is celebrated for the 5 day and commence for the full moon day of Falguna, February or March, Fagun, February or March. The main highlight of the festival is Thabal Chongaba dance, a Manipuri folk dance where boy and girls form a circle and hold hands and sing and dance. Donations are collected from house to house, and the money collected is spent on parties and merrymaking. So, if you are planning a trip to Manipur in the month of February, don't forget to be a part of the Yogoshan festival and carry home and memories you will cherish all your life. Thereafter, Meghalaya. Meghalaya's famous festival is Non-Grekum Dance Festival. The Non-Grekum Dance Festival of the hill state of Meghalaya is a 5-day long religion festival devoted to the appearance the god Kabili Sanahar for a rich bumper harvest and prosperity of the people. Dances are performed by the unmarried men and women dressed in the exotic costumes. The men's dance is a naturally more vigorous and energetic than hold a sword in their right hand and usually a white yak hair Vishi in their left hand, keeping time to changing beats of drums and playing on the tangmuri or pipes. Thereafter, Mizoram Chapka Kut Festival. Mizoram biggest festival Chapkhar Kut makes the clearing and reading of hill slope for Jhum of shifting of cultivation. It is celebrated with the gaiety and furrow by young and old. On that day, people dressed in colorful costumes and distinctive headgear and jewelries assembled and performed various folk dances, singing traditional songs, accompanied by beating of drum, goons, and cymbals. The energetic bamboo dance and other main dance like Kulam, Chinalam, Che, and Salamaki are performed as a part of community festival. Thereafter, Nagaland Hornbill Festival. The week-long Hornbill Festival for Nagaland is one of the biggest cultural extravagances in the Northeast and held every year from December 1 to 10. It is a festival of revive, protect, sustain, and promote the richness of the Naga heritage and tradition. All the Naga tribes get together for the week-long celebration of their culture and traditional placed and showcase their age-old tradition. Odisha famous festival is Raja Prabha. Raja Prabha is the living culture heritage of Odisha and the main festination of the agriculture way of life of a festival of harvesting held for 3 days in June. The first day is called Paheli Raja, and the second day is called the Raja Sanskranti, and the third day is Basi Raja. A joyful atmosphere privileged as the young men of the village play local game like kabaddi competition are also held between different group of the village. A festival of joy, you can say. Thereafter, Punjab Lohri. Lohri is the popular festival celebrated by the Punjabi, particularly of the Hindu and Sikh faith, on the 13th of January, a day before Makar Sankranti. A week before Lohri, children began gathering firewood and huge fire and burned on Lohri night. In the morning, children go from door to door singing and demanding the Lohri loot in the form of money and eatables. Lohri is essentially a festival dedicated to the sun god and to share the warmth with your family and loved ones. Rajasthan Gangor Festival. The Gangor Festival in Rajasthan is colorful after a colorful affair and offer a wonderful opportunity to tourism to enjoy cultural festival. A fall of fortnight after Holi is celebrated for 18 days in honor of goddess Parvati, mostly by the women folk of Rajasthan. Offering are made to the goddess Parvati, and the festival is considered an auspicious occasion for young people to choose their life partners. During the festival, imagine of Gauri, the other name of goddess Parvati, and Shiva are taken out in the colorful procession. The whole event comes to an end with the display of wonderful fireworks. Sikkim Saga Dawa. The magnificent carnival of Sikkim Saga Dawa is famous for mass dance, and the festival exhibits in the rare and elegant colors and riches and diversity. On the day of the Saga Dawa, the people of Sikkim, especially the Mahayan Buddhists, gathered in temple and paid during honor of the Lord. The light of Especially the Mahanaya Buddhista gather the temple and pay due honor of the Lord. The light up lamp and the ceremony is followed by a grand pageant which consists of monks who move to the chants of holy spirits and hymns of the processions. Tamil Nadu Pongal. Pongal is a 4 day long harvest festival of Tamil Nadu which falls in the month of January February. The first day of Pongal, the Bhogi festival is celebrated with the ritual of Bhogi Mantalu, where unless item of the household are toasted into a bonfire traditionally made on the cow dung, cake and wood. On the second day, Thai Pongal, rice and the milk are boiled together in an earthen pot as a offering to the sun god. Thereafter, sugarcane, coconut, and bananas are also offered. This third day, Mattu Pungal is dedicated to cows. There are adorned with bells, sevens of corns, grainlands worshipped. The house look magnificent with the column design and flower petals. Thereafter, Telangana, Bonalu. Bonalu is celebrated in Telangana, and the word Bonalu came from Bhojanalu, which offered to the goddess during a festival time. It is a belief that the goddess comes back to his to her maternal home on their day, so people come to see her and bring offering of food. Bonalu. Women prepare bonalu in a pot and decorated with a small neem bunches, turmeric, kumkum, and lamp on the top of it. Women put the pot on their head and take it to God temple, led by drums and dancing men. Tripura. uh, Kharchi Puja. Kharchi Puja is the worship of the 14 gods of Tripura and celebrated in the month of July and August. On the day of Puja, the 14 deities are carried to river Saidar, bathed in the holy water, and brought back to the temple. People offer different types soap praised like goat, buffalo, fowls, sweets, etc. Nowadays, many cultural programs are performed in the night, and a large fair is also organized on the occasion. Uttar Pradesh Navratri. Navratri is the one of the holiest Hindu festival is celebrated with a much pomp and grandeur in Uttar Pradesh. Navratri is celebrated for 9 nights, during which people worship goddess Durga and her 9 form of seek her blessing. Especially pujas of Devi are also held by setting up the uh, images idols of the Mother Durga in beautifully decorated pandals accompanied by the cultural song, dance, and dramas. Their ideals are the immersed in river at the end of the festival. Uttarakhand Ganga Dussehra. In the month of the June, Ganga Dussehra is celebrated at Major Ghat of Uttarakhand. This festival is a day of devotion and faith. People in large number bath in the Ganga to get purified of sin, and at night devoted start offering leaf boats with flames, sweets, and flowers to the river. Thereafter, West Bengal Durga Puja. Durga Puja is also offered to as a Durgotsav in West Bengal and celebrated with much gaiety and pomp here. The festival is commemorated by worship goddess Durga. It is one of the biggest festival in Bengal and it is celebrated on the mass scale with the puja pandal excited on almost every corner. Community puja are also organized in the each locality. On the last day, the idols are taken in decorative processions to be immersed in the river of the pond. Apart from the traditional rituals, many cultural activities like song and dance competition, games, and fetes are organized during the festival. India is a land of festival where people of all religion coexist in the harmony. The festival are true manifestation of the culture and tradition. Now that you have been through the festival which define the 29th state of India, it is up to you to celebrate them with the all pomp and splendors. So if you like my video, please do like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Jai Hind.